Assalamu alaikum. Hopes students, you are all fine and doing great. It's me, your English teacher, Miss Alina Sarfraz, and today we are going to start our new chapter, unit number 2, Beautiful Bugs. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Before starting our today's lesson, let's see our learning objectives. Students, by the end of chapter, you will be able to identify common insects, understand key vocabulary related to bees and insects, and you will be able to identify pests. And we will know about why headings, subheadings, and topic sentences are important and what is their purpose. What is a non-chronological report? हम जो आज टेक्स्ट पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज़ नॉन फिक्शन, सेकंड it is non-chronological reports. So what is non-chronological report? A non-chronological report is a type of writing that gives facts and information about something. It does not tell a story in time order. So basically जो non-chronological reports होती हैं इसमें just facts बताए जाते हैं. facts आपको पता है ट्रुथ को बोलते हैं हम. सच किसी चीज़ के बारे में बताया जाता है, जैसे कि आप इस चैप्टर में हम बग्स के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. सेकंड थिंग, इसमें जो चीज़ें हैं वो ऑर्डर में नहीं होती, वो टाइम ऑर्डर में नहीं होती कि फर्स्ट ये हुआ, सेकंड ये, देन ये. जस्ट इसमें आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है, बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट समथिंग. सो इट इंक्लूड्स headings, subheadings, and question as headings, and you will also see that non-chronological reports are written in present tenses. What is a bug? Bugs are also known as arthropods. So, bugs is a word we use for small crawling animals. These includes ants, beetles, ladybugs, grasshoppers. Remember students, some bugs can fly like ladybugs, some crawl like ants, and some jump just like grasshoppers. But remember that not all bugs are insects. डिफरेंट टाइप्स के बग्स होते हैं जो हम आगे आगे पढ़ेंगे. सो इस स्लाइड में मैंने साइड पर आपकी बुक की पिक्चर अटैच की हुई है, कुछ चीज़ें इस पर लिखी हुई हैं. सो मेक श्योर टू राइट देम ऑन योर बुक्स टू. We are going to read three main types of arthropods. First one is insects that have 6 legs and 3 body parts. Second one, myriapods that have lots of legs and long bodies. And third one is arachnids that have 8 legs and their bodies are divided into 2 parts. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बग्स पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. इसकी आपने ध्यान से सुनना है, करेक्टरिस्टिक्स देखनी है. सब बग्स की डिफरेंट करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं. अगर आपको वो याद रहेंगी तो आप इनमें डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वन इज insects. Insects are the largest group of arthropods. They have special features that make them easy to identify. They have 6 legs. They have 3 body parts: head, thorax, thorax जो इनके मिडिल पार्ट को बोलते हैं, and abdomen, बैक पार्ट. सो मैनी इंसेक्ट्स आर विंग्स एंड एंटीना. सबके पास नहीं होते लेकिन बहुत सारों के पास एंटीनास भी हैं एंड विंग्स भी हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्लाइज. Examples are ants, bees, butterflies, beetles. So remember that the main characteristics of insects are they have 6 legs, 3 body parts, and wings and antennas. Myriapods. Myriapod means many legs or many feet. A myriapod is an animal with many legs. They are also known as creepy crawly creatures. अब इनका सेकंड नेम क्रीपी क्रॉली क्रिएचर्स इसलिए रखा है कि ये वर्म्स वगैरह इसमें आ जाते हैं, सेंटीपीड्स आ जाते हैं, मिलीपीड्स आ जाते हैं जो ज़मीन पे रेंगते हैं. And they have lots of segments and lots of legs, as you can see in the picture that I have attached in this slide. There are millipedes and centipedes. They have lots of segments and lots of legs with them. And sometimes they have 30 plus legs. Arachnids. They look like insects, but they are different from insects. Arachnids have 8 legs, while insects have 6 legs. They do not have antennas. Insects have antennas. Their example includes spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites. Some spiders are poisonous for us. What are pests? Students, basically there are two types of bugs. One kind of bugs help to maintain our ecosystem and environment, and the other one, that is also known as pest, is harmful for us. They may be small but can do a surprising amount of damage in large numbers or on their own. We humans sometimes have to try hard to control them. They spread diseases, they damage our food crops, and they destroy plants. I have attached the picture of mosquitoes as they spread sickness, and the other ones are aphids. They eat plants that are useful for us. And the other one is cockroaches. Cockroaches also spread germs. Why do we use subheadings and what is the purpose of topic sentence? स्टूडेंट्स जैसे हम अपना स्केच प्रिपेयर करते हैं क्लास वर्क या होमवर्क के लिए फर्स्ट वन वी राइट द टॉपिक इन दिस slide you can see the picture. The topic of this report is bugs, and the other highlighted bold black color text is subheadings. Subheadings का क्या पर्पस होता है? Subheading is a smaller title under the main heading. इट हेल्प्स टू ऑर्गेनाइज इंफॉर्मेशन. जस्ट अपना डाटा ऑर्गेनाइज फॉर्म में रखने के लिए हम ये स्मॉल सेक्शंस में डिवाइड इसे कर लेते हैं और उसको सब हेडिंग्स दे देते हैं. जैसे हमारा मेन टॉपिक बग्स है, एंड देन यू कैन सी दी सब हेडिंग्स. मिलियन ऑफ बग्स, व्हाट इज एन इंसेक्ट एंड व्हाट इज अ मीडियापोड. Other one is topic sentence. What is topic sentence? The very first sentence of your paragraph is known as topic sentence. कोई भी पैराग्राफ जब स्टार्ट होता है उसका जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस होता है वो हमारा टॉपिक सेंटेंस होता है. और हम पूरे पैराग्राफ में जो टॉपिक सेंटेंस में बात करते हैं पूरा पैराग्राफ उसी के रिलेटेड होता है. सो बेसिकली टॉपिक सेंटेंस हमें एक ओवरव्यू दे देता है कि हम किसके बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं या इस पैराग्राफ में क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें मिलेगी. Students, in this slide, I have attached the very first pages of your chapter, page number 30 and 31. So, let's hear attentively what you need to do. First of all, see the picture on page number 30, Beautiful Bugs. जिस पेज पे चैप्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है उधर देखें आपको ABCDEF 6 टाइप ऑफ बग्स मिलेंगे. आपने इनका नेम लिखना है इसके ऊपर, एंड देन यू हैव टू सोल्व पार्ट A given on page number 31. Match the name of insect with its picture on page 30. अब हम पेज 31 से 30 पे अटैच तो नहीं कर सकते, सो यू हैव टू राइट दी number or alphabet in front of insect. For example, fly. Fly is on alphabet B. इस तरह हमने ये सब सॉल्व करने हैं. The other question is B part. Match the questions to the correct answer. This is best for your comprehension practice too. First you need to read the answers given on the left side, then you have to read the questions. फिर आपने इन दोनों को मैच करना है और करेक्ट आंसर्स को ही करेक्ट क्वेश्चंस के साथ आपने मैच करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट वन इज बीज आर द ओनली इंसेक्ट that make food for humans. Now you have to read 3 questions and match this answer with the correct one. So hope you understand what you need to do on page number 30 and 31 of your book. So students, on the left side of this slide, there are keywords that you are going to read in your report. First one is bee, second butterfly, arthropods, pollinate, pest, myriapod, arachnid, segments, and damage. Make sure to highlight these words on your book and also memorize them with correct spelling. On the other hand, I have attached the picture of your book, page number 34. After reading, you have to solve comprehension part A and B on your book. आपने part B का just question number 1 करना है. Look at the photos above. Are they insects, arachnids or myriapods? 3 आपको इसमें उन्होंने pictures दी हुई हैं. इनके ऊपर आपने बताना है which one is insect, which one is arachnids, and which one is myriapods. So after reading, make sure to solve this page number 34 on your book attentively and accurately. Students, it's time to wrap up our today's lesson. Let's quickly review what we have studied today. First of all, we learned about non-chronological report. Second, we learn about various type of bugs, the bugs which are harmful or helpful for us, and at the end we read about purpose of subheadings and topic sentence. Students, in this slide there are some questions that you need to write on your notebooks. Solve this question in your notebooks. First one is, what is an arthropod? Second, how long have insects existed? How many legs do insects have? सारी चीज़ें आपकी स्लाइड्स में भी हैं, इवन आपकी बुक पर भी हैं. सो मेक श्योर टू रीड carefully before attempting these questions in your notebook. Also solve workbook पेज नंबर 12. जैसे मैंने यहाँ आपके बुक पेजेस अटैच किए थे, पेज नंबर 30 एंड 31, उसमें जो मैचिंग है, मैचिंग क्वेश्चन, सेम वैसा क्वेश्चन आपकी वर्कबुक पेज नंबर 12 पर है. सो सोल्व इट फॉर प्रैक्टिस टू एंड लर्न द की वर्ड्स विद स्पेलिंग्स. So students, I hope you understand everything and now you have to do your homework accurately. So we will meet in our next lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.